In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly insert checkbox symbols into your Microsoft Word documents using a simple keyboard shortcut. This is a nifty little trick that can help make your documents more interactive and visually organized, especially if you're dealing with forms or lists where you need to show progress or completion. Let's start with the basics. You want to open your Microsoft Word file where you wish to add this interactive element. Go ahead and open the document now. Once you're in your Word document, find the spot where you'd like to insert the checkbox. It could be at the beginning of a task list or beside specific items in your document, wherever you think it would be most useful to have a visual representation of an item or task that needs checking off. Now here comes the fun part. You're going to type the numbers 2610, that's 2610, directly into your document where you want the checkbox to appear. It might look a bit odd at first, just hanging there as plain text, but don't worry, we're not finished yet. As soon as you've typed 2610, press the Alt key, and while holding it down, press X on your keyboard. Voila! That string of numbers is transformed into a neat little checkmark box, ready to be used for all your ticking needs. But what if you want to indicate something is already done or completed? Well, that's just as simple. Following the same process, type the numbers 2611, yes, that's 2611, in the document where you'd like a checked box. Then perform the same keyboard magic by hitting Alt and X together, and just like before, the numbers will morph into a checked box. It's as easy as that, and there you have it, all done. You've just turned your ordinary list into an interactive checklist, elevating the utility and aesthetic of your Word document. This little feature can save time and add a layer of interactivity that is simple yet effective. Whether you're drafting up a to-do list or creating a more structured document, having these symbols can keep things organized and also add a layer of satisfaction when it comes to checking off completed tasks. If you have any trouble or need to reference any symbols again, remember these steps. Practice a couple of times and soon it will become second nature. That concludes our quick tutorial on making the most out of Microsoft Word's little-known shortcuts for adding checkbox symbols. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to guiding you through more tech tips soon.